Have you ever wondered how websites rank on Google? Well, the secret sauce is something called SEO, or search engine optimization. It's the art and science of making your website attractive to search engines, helping it climb the ranks and capture more eyeballs. Think of it like a digital popularity contest, where the most appealing contestant wins. And for businesses and entrepreneurs, the prize is invaluable: visibility, reach, and potentially more customers. Knowing the basics of SEO could be the game changer for your business. So, how does SEO work exactly? Well, let's break it down. SEO, or search engine optimization, is a process of optimizing your website so that it ranks higher in search engine results. These search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo use complex algorithms to determine the order of the websites you see when you type in a search term. These algorithms take into account a multitude of factors, but we'll focus on three crucial ones: keywords, content quality, and backlinks. First up, keywords. These are the words or phrases that people type into a search engine when they're looking for something. If your website content includes these keywords in a natural and meaningful way, the search engine is more likely to rank your site higher because it's relevant to what the user is searching for. Next, content quality. It's not enough to stuff your site with keywords. Search engines are smart. They can tell if your content is high quality and provides value to the user. They look at the structure of your content, its originality, and even the grammar and spelling. So producing well-written, useful, and engaging content is key to climbing those search engine ranks. And finally, backlinks. These are links from other websites that point to your site. Think of them as votes of confidence in your content. The more quality backlinks you have, the more likely search engines are to consider your site as credible and authoritative, thus ranking it higher. Remember though, SEO isn't an overnight process. It takes time, consistent effort, and a deep understanding of your audience's needs and search habits. But don't let that discourage you. The payoff can be immense, leading to increased visibility, more website traffic, and ultimately, higher sales and revenue. Understanding how SEO works can help you create a successful online presence. And in our digital age, that's more important than ever. So, stick around for the next part where we'll discuss how to use SEO effectively. Now that you know what SEO is, the question is, how can you use it for your benefit? To use SEO effectively, you'll need to adopt a strategic approach. It's not just about plugging in a few keywords and hoping for the best. It's about crafting a comprehensive plan that aligns with your objectives. Firstly, let's talk about keywords. These are the words and phrases that your potential customers are typing into search engines. The key is to identify the most relevant keywords for your business or content. There are several tools available online, such as Google's Keyword Planner, that can help you with this. Once you've identified your keywords, incorporate them naturally into your content. However, avoid keyword stuffing, as search engines may penalize you for this. Next, we move on to content. High-quality, relevant content is the backbone of SEO. Search engines value content that provides value to users, so focus on creating content that is informative, engaging, and answers the questions your audience might have. This will not only improve your SEO, but also establish you as an authority in your field. Building backlinks is another crucial aspect of SEO. Backlinks are when other websites link back to yours. This tells search engines that your website is trustworthy and contains valuable information. To build backlinks, you can reach out to other websites or blogs in your industry and offer to write guest posts. Additionally, creating high-quality content can naturally attract backlinks. Lastly, consistency is key. SEO is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process. Regularly update your content, optimize your website, and build backlinks. Remember, SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. It might take some time to see results, but the effort will pay off in the long run. By implementing these strategies, you can optimize your website to rank higher on search engines and attract more traffic. And remember, more traffic often translates to more opportunities, whether that's more sales, more signups, or more engagement. SEO is a powerful tool, and when used correctly, it can significantly enhance your online presence. So, how can you turn this newfound knowledge into profit? Let's start by understanding that a well-optimized website can attract a higher volume of traffic. This is not just any traffic, but quality traffic of potential customers who are actively searching for what you have to offer. With higher traffic and better targeted visitors, you can see an increase in sales and conversions. More traffic means more opportunities to convert prospects into customers, and that's where the profit comes in. But that's not the only way to monetize SEO. If you've got a knack for it, offering SEO services can be a profitable business in itself. Many companies are willing to pay generously for someone who can boost their online visibility. You can offer your expertise and help businesses grow while making a tidy income. And we can't forget about affiliate marketing. This is another great way to generate income through SEO. By optimizing content for affiliate marketing, you can drive more traffic to your affiliate links. Every time someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. SEO is not just about increasing visibility or climbing up the Google ranks. It's about embracing opportunities and capitalizing on the digital realm's potential. By leveraging SEO, you can create a steady stream of income and even build a profitable business. With SEO, you can increase your earnings and even create a new source of income. So, let's take a moment to summarize what we've learned about SEO. We've discovered that SEO, or search engine optimization, is a powerful tool that can enhance the visibility of your website on search engines. It's all about using the right keywords, creating quality content, and building authentic links. We've also learned how to use SEO effectively. From conducting keyword research to optimizing images and using meta tags, we've discussed various strategies that can help improve your website's SEO ranking. Moreover, we explored how SEO can be monetized. By improving your site's visibility, you can attract more traffic, leading to increased revenue from ads, affiliate marketing, or direct sales. Above all, we've reinforced the importance of SEO for businesses and entrepreneurs. It's not just about getting to the top of search engine results, it's about staying there and sustaining growth. With a clear understanding of SEO, you are now equipped to take your business to the next level. Remember, SEO is not just a strategy, it's an investment in your business's future.